Gave him my playing in the snow. So I tell you, the carport is great. Keeps the snow off the vehicles. It just makes just a nice environment under here. And the overhang on the porch, just great. I mean, a little bit of snow comes in on the edge, but it used to be like this. Used to get all the snow here. There's times we had multiple feet of snow on top of here. And now look at it. It's just so much nicer. Strongly recommend a roof over the deck and porch. Just makes it so much nicer. Okay, I need to get going. Do some shoveling down to Zehr State, and then go to my other job. See if these two are ready to come in.